How to log in or sign up on Lazada Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign up on Lazada. Well, you can simply open up the Lazada application. You can get it on your Play Store or App Store depending on the device. Then first you want to select your country. So I'll just select here Thailand for now. Then you'll be headed to this page. On this page now, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you can see login and sign up option. Now you can tap on settings and you can change the language to English here. You can see account option at the bottom right. You want to tap on it. Then you can see login option. You can log in with Google or Facebook. I'll just choose Google account for now. And as you can see, you'll be logged in easily. You want to simply enter in your phone number, or you can tap on fill in later and fill it later and you'll be logged in easily. So you'll be signed up. Then you can tap on login and go ahead and log in easily. This is how you can easily sign up on Lazada. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.